Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die, I'm focused on the music. Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die.
So today I will tell you how exactly do I stick to waking up at 3 a.m. every single day. So before that, I'll just quickly tell you why exactly do I even wake up at 3 a.m. Waking up at 3 a.m. make me feels productive as fuck. Not just productive, it's not just a feeling, it actually is very fucking productive because there are absolutely no distractions at 3 in the morning. So you get to do more shit done because you're more focused. You have nobody else to speak with. And not just that, waking up early just gives you a feeling of accomplishment, man. Nobody does that. So you doing that itself is a motivational factor. You feel good for doing that. And honestly speaking, the days I wake up late, I feel like shit. I genuinely feel like shit. That is probably one of the reasons, or that is probably the main fucking reason why I don't like waking up late. It just makes me feel like shit. So why the fuck would I do something which makes me feel like shit? That's just how simple it is. Now, how do I wake up at 3 a.m. every single day? It's very fucking simple. It's not a hard thing to do. It's just a negotiation between yourself. What do I mean by that? So, how I do it is, I do not fuck around with my wake up time. I always wake up at 3 am, irrespective of when I sleep. I usually sleep at 8 to get 7 hours of sleep. And today now it's already past 8 because I had a meeting at my place which just finished. Anyways, coming back to the topic, I usually sleep at 8 to get 7 hours of sleep. So if I sleep at 9, I'm still going to wake up at 3. If I sleep at 10, I'm still going to wake up at 3. If I sleep at 12, I'm still going to wake up at 3. Why? Because waking up 3, it has become like a fucking habit for me. I've been doing it for 2 years now. So it's just something I do every single day. Me not doing it affects me more than me functioning on less amount of sleep. So I do not want to feel shitty waking up late. So how do I do it is simple. For me, the wake up time is always same. I always wake up at 3 a.m. irrespective of when I go to bed. If I go to bed late, I get less amount of sleep. There's that. I can't do anything about that. But I'm still going to wake up at 3 a.m. That's how I maintain my 3 a.m. schedule. And again, it always is a choice. You can always choose to wake up late or wake up at 3. It always comes down to you. Again, how bad do you want it? How far are you willing to go get it? For me, these are not the questions I ask myself. The question is, do you want to feel shitty if you wake up late? The answer is no. So obviously I would not wake up late. And now the time is 8:05. I've got to fucking make my dinner, eat my dinner, so I'll probably sleep at 9. So that's 6 hours of sleep. I'm going to deal with it. Although my body is in shitload of pain and fatigue after all these fucking workouts. Hopefully, I'm gonna wake up tomorrow at 3 am and feel fucking happy. Why? Because I'm doing something which other people are not doing. That itself is a fucking motivational factor, man. I don't know, it's at least a motivational factor for me. I can make up shit so that I get motivated, and this is one of the things I make up. Nobody else is doing it, so you are the only person doing it. That should be something very interesting, or that should make you stand out, or at least that's how I see it. So this is how I wake up at 3 a.m. every single day.